Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Cat Studios, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can get the out of your depth badge award. So as you can see, I'm swimming around and you'll see a shark. Now usually you'd have to swim maybe like a mile or two, but yeah, there's a shark and I cannot use any guns. As you can see, I'm trying, and the shark is right there, as you guys can see, and I'm losing health. So I swim back up to the surface, and now you'd think I'd be safe, but let's just see what happens here. So, I'm walking around, and you know what? Well, we're gonna keep it as a surprise right now. So just watch what happens. I hope this video did help anyone who is wanting to get that badge. It's really hard game point to win. So if you got the badge, I am so happy to hear that, and hope this video really helped you. But if you want to show me any support, just like and subscribe down below right now. It's quick and simple. But yeah, go ahead. You can watch whatever you want at this point. But thanks for watching, and goodbye, I guess. Fearless.